Hey, we're going to introduce him here in the ring just directly. I can smell petrol. Hey, if you can hear me, guys, bring him in. Ah, yeah, the Smash Up Derby team. Stacey, car number 3. Car 4, Peter Drive, pushing 5. Lockie Parrish, Dion Townsend in 9. Braden Townsend in number 10. Carl 11, 12. James Number 14, Matt Drew. 15, Ryan Parker. 16, Aaron Parker. 17, Dave O'Brien. 18, Amy Watson. 19, Reece Runner. 20, Joseph Caluso.
23, we've got Mark Murray. 24, Shane Ryan. 25, Matt Jerko. 26, Bradley Stewart. 27, Tyler Wilson. 28, Kevin Chard. 29, Andrew Dragoon. And 30, Alan Bell. Now, Spider, the Demolition Derby is sponsored by a very strange sponsor. You might see them on the stickers on the front, but they're sponsored by Specsavers, ladies and gentlemen. I think they all should have gone to Specsavers by looking at the cars out here, Spider.
Oh, Glenhouse, I'm going to ask you one more time. You ready to see the Demolition Derby? there's still a couple of cars. Safety first as always. There was a fire underneath the old mate's bonnet. We got it out. Let's see who survived that almighty smash-up. Hey, come on, players! Still a few going. Let's get crazy. It's amazing how these cars are still running. Playing a game of cat and mouse. Come over here, he says. Oh! Hey, the blue and the black car gonna fight to the death. Car 24 and 25. Oh. What do you think, Mr. Andrew Hancock's been a fair derby?
It sure is, Spotter. We've only got 2 left going for it. Made a hell of a mess out there.
Ring around the rosy we go. Running on ever-ready batteries now, these cars. That could have been the bump of death, ladies and gentlemen. I think he might have just said good night, Irene. Hey, that's it. He's giving the wave. Hey, how about it, Granada 2021 Demolition Derby? Now I'd like to hand over to Mr. Dean Swagger. He's on the committee here at Glenelg Show Society, and he helps run this Demolition Derby. Dean?
Thanks, Spider. Thanks, I just want to say thanks to all the guys that trailed this year that kind of make the Derby as good as what it was. Thanks to Specsavers mainly just for the major sponsorship this year. Pretty sure it was one of the best Derbies I've watched. So, cheers, guys.
Yeah, well, that's it, Mr. Andrew Hancock. That'll wrap up the Derby. We will have a winner later on once the officials get together.
We're just rounding up the officials now, Spider. I think blue car, very digital, read really well, but needed to go to Specsavers. I think it might have went out of bounds.
Yeah, there was a talk from the one official that he went over the line. Well, ladies and gentlemen, walking between these cars, it's complete carnage. Big thank you to all the committee from the Demolition Derby putting this on together once again. Ladies and gentlemen, we will have a result here directly.
Yeah, pretty well. Pretty much, yeah. Yeah, pretty much. Yeah, well, just have a record. That's exactly right. There you go. All right. I might see it for next segment. I might see it for that for next segment. Well, you take it easy.